Tired of the hustle? Learn how to make money while you sleep with these top 3 YouTube niches that are tailor-made for automation. It's time to let technology do the heavy lifting for your channel. So watch the video carefully until the end. First channel I want to explore is called Quotes. Very simply, they only quote movie. For example, they talk about ancient philosophers or life lessons or proverbs. They quote conversations from different people throughout history. As you can see, this channel has millions of views. If we refer to social blade of this channel, as I said earlier, this is a website that can give you a good estimate of your channel's earnings. The channel says they make around $20,000 per month or around $239,000 per year, and we know that's totally wrong. You might be thinking to yourself that that's a lot, but they actually make a lot more than that, because this website estimates the approximate CPM for each channel to be $4 at most, which means they estimate based on $4 per thousand views. But in fact, this channel earns between $15 and $25 per thousand views. In fact, they earn approximately $80,000 per month or nearly $1 million per year, and this is a very possible. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. This channel is also about quotes, and it's called The Best Quotes. Actually, I want to show you a smaller channel that was created a while ago. If you go to the oldest videos, it was only created about 4 months ago. Okay, so this channel right here, The Best Quotes, created 4 months ago, and they are making money, $3,000 in monthly income and almost $37,000 in annual income. But as I said before, their income will be much more than this. This motivational channel is called Red Forest. So they do all kinds of videos. They do motivational style, philosophy type videos, as well as quotes videos. So it's more of a slightly different hybrid channel in a general niche like self-development quotes, but they're doing a different take on it. So if we go into it, it's a slightly different sub-channel. Social Blade says they make about $5,800 a month, which we says is totally wrong. They make at least over $20,000 to $30,000 a month. This data may even be on the downside, as it appears they made a provide video that raked up around 42 million views to affect Social Blade data. I don't know why I don't really on Social Blade for accurate information, but it gives us a good estimate. So this channel is definitely good. Passive income reaches more than $20,000 to $30,000, even $40,000 per month.